Welcome back to Planet Chuckle, where we blend the latest crypto news with a dash of humor. Tonight, we're zipping through the digital universe.
First up, we're sipping on some eco-friendly NFTs with Starbucks Korea's Starbucks Starlight project. Who knew saving the planet could be so artsy?
Then, we're diving into the gaming world with Epic Games' Nyan Heroes. Cats in mech suits? This is one battle royale you don't want to miss.
GameStop is taking a step back from NFTs, saying game over to their digital collectibles platform. Looks like they're switching up their strategy.
Nifty Island's set to intensify the P2E gaming scene, merging with Coinbase and top NFTs for an immersive gaming experience like no other.
Elon Musk's X waves goodbye to PFP NFTs. So long fancy digital avatars.
Sony's unveiling digital birth certificates at CES 2024, ensuring journalistic integrity in the age of AI.
Buckle up, chucklers. We're about to dive into the exciting world of tech, gaming, and digital art.
Starbucks Korea is stirring things up with their Starbucks Starlight NFT project. It's a green venture with a digital twist, and it kicks off today, making it a first in Asia.
They're brewing a blend of eco-friendliness and tech. Customers get eco-stamps for using personal cups, which they can trade for exclusive NFT rewards. It's like collecting coffee points, but these unlock digital art instead.
And it's not just about collecting NFTs. They're showcasing local Korean artists in an exhibition at the Starbucks Jongyo R store in Seoul. Art meets sustainability in a cup of coffee.
Members can earn NFTs with their own cups through mobile orders. Stack up those eco-stamps and bam! You've got yourself some artsy NFTs. But remember, it's one NFT per account, so choose wisely.
Starbucks Korea is partnering with Print Bakery for this. They're turning reusable cup habits into a gallery of digital art, all while promoting a greener future. That's one flavorful way to make a difference. Mercedes-Benz just unveiled a slick update to its in-car virtual assistant at CES 2024. Get this, it now includes an NFT gallery and an AI voice assistant that can match your mood.
Talk about riding in style. This assistant uses generative AI to chat with you in emotional profiles. It's like having a buddy in the car who knows whether you need a pep talk or just some chill vibes.
And they're not just stopping at chatty AI. Mercedes-Benz is adding the MBUX Collectibles app to display NFTs right on your dashboard. It's like turning your car into a moving art gallery.
They're also getting serious about sustainability, tracking CO2 emissions in their supply chain with blockchain tech. Mercedes isn't just about luxury, it's about smart luxury.
The big launch is set for early 2025, so if you want your car to play your favorite tunes and showcase your NFTs, Mercedes has got you covered. GameStop's making a major move. They're exiting the NFT game. Just a year and a half after launching their NFT marketplace, the gaming giant is calling it quits.
So long, digital collectibles. They're blaming regulatory uncertainty for the shutdown. But don't worry. Those NFTs minted on Ethereum blockchains aren't disappearing. They can still be traded on other platforms.
This isn't their first step back from crypto. Remember, they axed their NFT wallet a few months ago. Seems like they're slowly stepping out of the crypto spotlight.
GameStop's been on this NFT rollercoaster since 2021, even setting up a $100 million fund with Immutable. But now it's game over for their NFT marketplace.
It's a plot twist for sure. Especially since they just added Immutable X gaming NFTs not too long ago. Epic Games is about to drop a Web3 bombshell with Nyan Heroes, a Solana-based battle royale that's all the rage. Imagine Fortnite or PUBG, but with cats in mech suits. That's right, feline warfare.
Cats in battle gear? I'm already setting up my gaming chair. This kitty combat game is stirring up some serious buzz on the Epic Games Store, even without a release date.
Before hitting the big leagues, Nyan Heroes was already clawing its way up in the NFT world. Its Solana-based PFPs have seen a market cap jump, and there's talk of an epic airdrop on the horizon.
And let's not forget about Solana's P2E scene. It's booming. Games like Evi.io and Aurori are making waves. And now Nyan Heroes is set to join the party on the Epic Games Store.
This game is more than just virtual catfights. It's a symbol of the fusion of gaming, blockchain, and NFTs. Get ready for a perfectly epic gaming experience. Get ready, gamers and NFT buffs. Nifty Island, a creation by NYFT Studio, is hitting the scene on January 17th, teaming up with Coinbase's Base and Coinbase Wallet for a next-level P2E experience.
Imagine a digital playground where NFT communities from Base meet the colourful world of Nifty Island. We're talking epic competitions and exclusive prizes, all on the blockchain.
It's not just about playing games. Players get to create and personalize their own islands. Think Minecraft meets NFTs with a twist of creativity and community.
And the lineup of avatars? It's like the who's who of the NFT world. Azuki, Bored Apes, Clonex and more. Nifty Island's turning into the go-to spot for NFT enthusiasts.
With the launch just around the corner and a play-to-airdrop campaign in the wings, the buzz is off the charts. Nifty Island is shaping up to be the next big hit in the NFT and gaming spheres. Elon Musk's X, the platform we used to know as Twitter, is making a U-turn on NFTs. They've quietly dropped the feature allowing paid subscribers to flaunt their NFTs as profile pictures.
No more hexagonal NFT avatars. That's like taking the bling out of social media. But hey, Musk's got new plans for X, think peer-to-peer payments and fancy AI stuff.
Remember when NFT PFPs were all the rage? Introduced back in January 2022, Twitter Blue subscribers could show off their Ethereum-based NFTs in style.
And it wasn't just a pretty picture. Click on it, and you get the whole NFT lowdown, from its collection to the app that minted it. But now, X has wiped that feature clean off its premium page.
Users still sporting those hexagon-shaped NFTs might be wondering what's next. Meanwhile, other social giants like Instagram and Facebook are also backing away from NFTs.
But don't count NFTs out just yet. The market's showing some life with a $1.6 billion bounce. It's like digital art's playing hard to get.
Sony's shaking things up at CES 2024 in Las Vegas with their digital birth certificates tech. It's like NFTs, but without the blockchain. We're talking top-notch security and reliability for digital content.
Think of it like a digital ID for your pics. It's all about keeping things real in a world where copying is as easy as click, click, boom.
Right, Clyde. Sony's new tech is a boon for journalistic integrity. It helps authenticate content and shields images from being misused. Imagine snapping a pic and knowing it's got a digital seal of trust.
And with all the AI-generated stuff floating around, Sony's stepping in to confirm, hey, this photo is legit. They're teaming up with big names like the Associated Press to keep facts straight and fake news out.
It's not just about protecting images, it's a fight against misinformation. With generative AI on the rise, ensuring the originality of photos is more crucial than ever.
Sony's really taking a stand here. They're not just jazzing up content credibility. They're shaping a future where digital media can be trusted. Hats off to Sony for leading the charge.
And that's our whirlwind tour of the tech world for tonight on Planet Shuckle. From NFTs in your coffee to cat battles in the gaming universe, we've covered it all.
We bid farewell to some digital trends and welcome new adventures. It's always a roller coaster ride in the digital realm.
Thanks for joining us on this tech-tastic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on these groundbreaking stories in the comments.
Stay tuned for more crazy news from the world of blockchain, NFTs, and gaming.